So this is the W1AW Code Practice transmission. This is June 27th at 3:30 local time in the Midwest. Over on the right is the skimmer, which, as you know, reports its signal strength in color. And it's actually its signal to noise ratio in color, not signal strength so much, so that when the signal to noise improves, the color changes. And over here on the left is the pan with the signal displayed. Each gradient, if you can see it clearly, is 6 dB, or 1 S unit. We're on the shared apex loop right now. It's pointed directly east from my location. If I flip the location, you can see what happens to the signal to noise on the skimmer, and the signal just about disappears from the pan adapter. I'll go to the front now, which is east, and the signals reappear. So there's not many signals on this afternoon. There's a few, but W1AW is probably the best to look at here. So the front to back is obvious. I'm going to go to the sides now. So this is north. You can see the weakness in the signal, especially on CW skimmer. And we'll flip around to west where the signal about disappears. Then we'll go down south. That's the side. And then we'll come up back to east where the signals are strong again. I can also switch over to the pixel loop. So if you watch the display here, we go to the pixel loop. You can see the increase on the pan display of the noise level. It's about 1 S unit, about 6 dB, and you can see the change in color on CW skimmer. This is the pixel loop receiving W1AW. I'll go back to the apex here. Okay, we'll do that one more time. To the pixel loop, you'll see on the left the noise level go up about 1 S unit, and the color change on CW skimmer. So here we go back to the pixel loop. Perfectly readable, but a big difference in signal to noise, especially shown on skimmer. We're on the pixel loop. We're going to go back, there we are, to the apex. You can even see the noise background in CW skimmer if it shows well on the video. We're on the apex right now. We'll go to skimmer, watch the change in the background noise on skimmer. Here we go. You can see quite a few more noisy effects in the background. So that's the difference in noise level between the pixel loop, which we're on right now, and I'm going to go back to the apex loop. I don't know if you can hear this. I'll turn the volume up and we'll do that again. We're on the apex. Now we're going to go to skimmer. I have the width on the CW filters up to 500 Hertz to bring in some of the noise. I know we could get rid of that noise by narrowing the filters, but for this demonstration, I think it's good to actually hear the noise too. So this is the pixel loop. Let's go to the apex. Pixel. Apex. Pixel. Apex. Pixel. Apex. Pixel. Apex.